Your time now is 11:41, and we're taking a look at the weekend because I know a lot of us are planning to hopefully be outside. The good news is that it stays dry, so you won't run into any issues that way, but it will be chilly, especially in the mornings. 32 degrees Saturday morning. Today, though, high temperatures in the 50s. And then the 60s Saturday and Sunday. So you'll feel that difference in the afternoons. It'll be warmer. Cedar Hill right now 48 degrees, looking at a blue sky. Right now DFW reporting 48, but it feels like 42 when you factor in the wind. The wind at the moment is out of the west, but I've seen it go back and forth between west and northwest, 10 to 20 miles per hour. So at times expected to be breezy, not just right now, but throughout the rest of the day. 46 degrees in Denton right now, 45 in McKinney, about 44 in Fort Worth, 47 for Mineral Wells and in Decatur. Our temperature still climbs, all thanks to the help of some sunshine today. Blue sky expected all day. We make it to about 55 degrees between 3 and 4 in the afternoon, 52 around 5 and 44 degrees around 7 this evening. Most locations will make it to the mid 50s today. There are a few spots, though, if you're northeast of DFW, and I'm looking at Collin, Rockwall, even Kaufman County towards the northeast. We're looking at the low 50s, upper 40s, just a little bit more of a chill in the air, and that's because of a slightly more consistent north wind for the region. Now, tonight temperatures are going to drop right back to near or at freezing. 31 degrees expected in Dallas, 32 for Fort Worth, Denton, and in McKinney. So if you do have that sensitive vegetation, you've been covering it the last couple of mornings, you might need to do it again tonight. This is what I'm tracking for the weekend. A cold front. That front will not bring any rain. Most of us won't notice anything until Sunday about 5 or 6. You'll notice the winds picking up a little bit. That's the front arriving, and that front is going to solely bring in cooler conditions for New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. By the time that front makes it to southeast Texas, it'll have the potential to pick up just a few scattered showers. Maybe some cloud cover will continue on Monday for us as a result. So our New Year's Eve planner showing about 54 degrees around 7, 45 degrees around 10, and we drop to about 41 degrees at midnight, just in time to bring in 2024. And we're not done there, because by Monday morning, the temperature will drop by 33 degrees. Okay, so something else I'm watching is this west coast storm. There is a big area of low pressure. You can see it right there that is helping bring in added rainfall across Northern California and into portions of the Pacific Northwest. So I'll be watching that here the next couple of days. Could cause some travel issues if you're headed towards the west, but dry across the plains, and a little bit of rain that is now popping up on radar. It was showing a mix of snow anywhere from Arkansas towards Illinois, Indiana, even Ohio, and some added moisture across far portions of the Northeast. Otherwise, we're not looking at much in the way of trouble spots. I think middle part of the week this past week was really where we had the most impact. Now we're just looking at some isolated trouble spots for us, the West Coast being one of them, a few areas of the Great Lakes and far portions of the Northeast. Widespread rain expected in California, though, all the way through the Pacific Northwest on Saturday. Otherwise, looking pretty dry across the middle part of the country. Not looking too much of an issue there. I'm having trouble getting to my 10-day. My clicker's not advancing. There we go. Okay, temperatures are going to be in the mid-60s today, or excuse me, Saturday and Sunday. Upper 40s on Monday, and then we'll see rain returning Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But Cleo, right now it does look like the first week of January. It's a little cool.